got in some new supplies at the warehouse today. This giant patriotic ice cream cone was basically just waiting for me to play with it. So I'm just gonna take this ice cream cone and I am either going to decorate this angle or this angle on it so that it hangs on the customer's door just like this. So to do that, we're gonna just make a little mini swag with our flowers. Let's fluff these out. All right, so we're gonna take our first two pieces and we're just gonna put them together like in a little swag. Now, these stems are kind of long, so we don't need all of that. So we're gonna take our wire cutters and trim some of this down. So this is the start of our base. We're gonna make our mini swag and then we're gonna figure out where to put it because I haven't decided where it's gonna be cute yet. All right, now this is a smaller stem. So let's fluff this out. So y'all, this one is just to give us our patriotic colors. But same scenario, we don't need all of this. Now look how, okay, so that looks kind of scarce by itself, but watch what happens when we just put these right back to back and then just kind of weave them in together. Look how full that looks now. All right. Look how pretty it is when you layer it together. So now we're just gonna zip tie this right there. Y'all, now we need a fun bow. So we're gonna do about a 12-inch tail. Give it a good twist. About a 6-inch loop. This 5/8 ribbon, but we're gonna do it in the bow this time. All right, then we're gonna finish it off with our star ribbon. Y'all, we had this in stock a couple months ago. It's probably sold out. The cones are super adorable. All right, we're gonna get this twisted off. All right, I'm gonna get this added right into our little swag. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I want to get it a little bit higher than I originally planned. So originally I was going to make the bow go more towards the bottom, but I think I like the bow more right there with the sprays like that. So let's just zip tie that in place. So 2 of these ice cream cones would be really cute for my house. All right, so all I'm doing is wrapping the pipe cleaner right around the frame right here and just zip tying it on. Projects like this are super quick and make it really easy for you to stock your shop or your booths. That's what I like. All right, so we zip tied that stem right around the frame in a few places. Now we can trim our bow up. You can just go to decoexchange.com and pick out your supplies, make your own little kit. That's super cute, just like that. But I want to bring in a few of these little flowers and just come a little bit more up and out with them and not so much flat against the ice cream cone. I'm also going to take a few of these little wispy greens. I'm just going to take a few of these. All right. So I just wanted to get a little bit more wispiness in there. So I'm going to take these and just glue them right in. So I'm just gluing them right into the frame. All right, last one. We're going to add it to the top. And then this project's done, y'all. I almost slapped that hot glue right on my hand. That would have been fun. And it's ready for potentially my front door, just like this. How do I go about getting everything I need for this project? Just go to decoexchange.com and have fun shopping.